this season. He just didn't get right at all. Rocked the clearance of the cross sorry. And whether or not he actually got it right or wrong wouldn't have mattered because the car was in an offside position.
Yeah, he tried to